spine, you pinch, and the 3 fingers around. And then the other part of that is your other hand, the claw, as we say. So whenever I say it, wherever I am, cooking at home, at work, hard, and I can look all of you guys in the face, and I'm not going to cut myself because I know where my knuckles are. Right? I'm using my claw. So it's very important, because you can't go fast if you're constantly watching where your fingers are, worried that you're going to slice them apart. So that's kind of like the big thing, to use a knife properly. It might take
Bok choy.
That's good, hey?
Oh yeah, it looks delicious.
Yeah,
Ginger.
it sure does.
Yep, that's it so far.
too far gone at this point, but it's not going to change anything. If anything, if you're doing it with a hand crank, you would have just been working a little harder. At the machine,
I'm sorry.
too
far gone.
It's still what whirring away. So where can everyone see me?
So quick little demo before I run back and deal with our chicken. When we're working with any kind of dough that we want to stuff, like a dumpling, take it in your hand, a little bit of water, and just along the perimeter. So it's going to kind of act like a glue. Some people will maybe use an egg yolk or whatever, and I think that's a waste of an egg yolk. Water does just fine. We can use old Cooper.
Is that 7?
6. One more.
But I think the beauty again of cooking is fitting it in your pan.
Okay.
Goes to dough, just so we're prepared.
And we'll keep going.
I'm gonna find something really good enough that's tiny, but
Whoa. You can hire me. This will work for some of them. That one. I think they're beautiful, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go. Socializing. I know, right? It's like Evan is cutting circles way faster than I know what to do.
Will you teach me how to do this?
Okay, well, I don't know. Give her one to do.
I think we should do
Yeah. She's like rolling it out.
Put it on his leg and just wing it. Press it down.
See, these are bigger pieces.
Okay, I'll use the bigger piece.
Yeah, I feel like that gives you a little more.
Okay, that's... I just said don't just show up. Nice. There we go. We were joking. Those are lovely.
you know, after a glass of wine number 2 for myself, I'm usually like getting ravenous. So
This plate looks so delicious.
that's what I love. The first time I'm nearing the end there, we have our other food ready to go for us.
Wow, well, great.
Yeah. For the gram, as they say.
Yeah.
Oh, am I in here, right?
Yeah.